Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Till now we have discussed how to create a LVM, how to bring disk in LVM, how to create PV, PG, LV, how to extend LV, what's the difference between capital L and small l. Today we will discuss how to reduce a LVM. So I am having LVM, LVS, okay, LV0 which is size of 3 GB, and if I see VGS is having only 516 MB free. But before reducing, I should know how much the data consuming usually. Okay, so I'm not having any data because it's showing 3 GB total size, use is 3.3 MB, available is 2.8 GB. So if customer is saying reduce this file system by 2 GB, means we have to reduce 2 GB and this size will become 1 GB. So in that case I have to take a decision. If data is near to 1 GB or more than 1 GB, then we cannot reduce. So in this case we are having only 3 MB data, so we can reduce this. So let me clear my screen and what's the process. So first we have to run, first I have to unmount umount /uuid. okay, it got mounted. Then e2fsck -ff/dev vg0 lv0. Why we are doing this? There's no error in a file system. There's no error. Okay, to checking the error is there or not, I have run e2fsck. Now I have to reduce by 1 GB. So is size 2fs/dev vg0 lv0 by 1 GB file system I'm going to create, so I will do 1 G. So what it will do, it will shrink all the data. Like let me show you. Think about this is our hard disk, okay, of 3 GB, and here we are having some data here also, here also, here also, and here also. Like this much data I'm having. If I want to reduce it by 2 GB and new disk will become like this, so I cannot slice it here. So first I have to resegregate all the data. So what resize will do, it will bring all the data inside 1 GB partition, like near about that extent. Okay, so all the data will get here and remaining 2 GB will get free, so we can accordingly make it free. So that's why we are running resize to fs before doing any activity. Okay, then lv reduce -2g from dev vg0 lv0. okay, showing -2 is not a command line because we forgot to give -L. Reducing activity, logical volume 1 size, this may destroy data. Yes, there are always chance of data loss. Okay, LVS, now my LV became 1 GB. Again, this size 2fs/dev vg0 lv0. okay, it's already blocked. Then I have LVS, I will try to mount /dev vg0 lv0 +uuid. okay, df-h lvs. See, earlier it was having size of 3 GB. Now we have reduced by 2 GB. It got near about 1 GB. So that's how the complete reducing process. But whenever customer is requesting us to reduce the file system, we always raise a red flag saying that this is a process of data loss. You might face some data losses. So before reducing, please take a proper backup. And we have to, before committing anything, we have to see PBS, VGS and LVS. So if, and one more, df-h, the partition we are going to reduce, like LV0, will not have much data than the reduced space. Like it is almost 1 GB and use space is 207 MB. So I should not go beyond 500 MB. Correct? Because we need some space. We cannot shrink at all. So before committing anything, check how much free space you are available. Okay, like 940 MB is there, but we can reduce to 9 MB. Okay, we have to give some space to buffer it. So before giving any plan, we have to check there is a space in mount point or not. Okay, if there any space, so how much we can reduce and what are the chances of data loss. And we like resize to fs or e2fsck-ff command we have used. Show you to fsck. See this command. So whatever the final size you want, you can put it here, and complete file system arrangement like pulling all the location will do for you, and you can reduce it by 1. So that's all for the today's video. With cautious practice this in a empty file system. Now you know how to extend, how to reduce, how to add, how to remove. In next video, couple of video, we will cover more things. Till then, keep practicing. See you in next video. Bye bye.